Okay, yeah, it's time for Evan's Corn Maze. So yeah, I just came in the entrance. So here we go. The entrance is different this year than it usually is. Yeah, we found the first one that I found. The cow. Judging by what's been stamped on the sign, yeah. So yeah, the cow. Yeah, I was coming around the corner. I was not expecting to see, because usually they take the decorations out after the haunted maze. But anyway, they even displayed at the entrance pillars. I still only found one, but I discovered that some of them came from Annapolis as well here, because that's a ripped up Ghostly Gardens map, which is against the maze rules because you're supposed to keep it clean. I still only found one, but I guess someone got really frustrated because there's a ripped up stamp sheet all over the ground here. Seems someone came from Annapolis because there's a ripped up Ghostly Gardens map on the ground, even though the rules are keep the maze clean. Well, I made it to what I think is the pumpkin from what's stamped on the thing, but it's missing the stamp. So yeah, more people ruining the fun for others. Yeah, it's kind of getting less enjoyable now because they used to be up on posts you could see so you could kind of navigate to them. This year they're not, and it's getting to the point of less arduous and more tedious. Well, we've reached the exit, so we're about halfway down through. And I've only found 2 out of 6. I've been at this about an hour now. Yeah, I found, well, I think it has the scarecrow, but the sign's all stamped with the raven. Anyway, that's 3. I'm apparently in the middle of farm. Yeah, we found another one. The sign's all stamped with tractors, but it has the pumpkin stamp in it, so I don't know. But anyway, that's 4 we found. I found 4, and I'm probably gonna head out, see if I can get something to drink, because I am really thirsty. So I'll see if I can come back and finish it. If not, oh well. Yeah, I found the, it had the tractor, but it also had the missing pumpkin stamp from the one that was missing. Yeah, I found the tractor, so yeah, it also has the pumpkin stamp in it that was missing from the one that was stolen. So I've got one more, either the raven or the pig. I think I technically already found the raven, but it had the pumpkin stamp in it. Or the scarecrow stamp that had was out of ink. But anyway. So yeah, we found 5 out of 6. And a burlap for a feed bag. I have no idea where I am. And I still have one more stamp to find. I did get some vitamin water though. So that's helped. Yeah, I got here at 11:50 and it's 20 after 2 now, so I kind of gave up. But I did get an apple anyway, so I didn't get to go on the tractor rides, but it got way too crowded.